feeling. You're gonna fade away. I could be there behind you to pick the pieces up too late. I don't need you now, I'm alone. I can feel my life go by in slow motion.
Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't vlogged in ages, which is quite actually true because the last time I vlogged was in June when we were in Gdansk, and since I had a lot of pre-filmed things, I didn't need to film more because I had to catch up with all the editing and so on. So yeah, it feels a little weird to speak now, but it's fine. Today is extremely warm. It's Friday. I had a really busy morning. Now it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna go for a little walk. I'm wearing my like heat dress. I'm gonna show you in a mirror. I wore this dress last year in Greece. I think all of my holiday I was wearing this dress because it was plus 45, plus 40. It was impossible to wear anything else. So I was just wearing this dress for 10 euros on sale from H&M. Underneath I'm wearing my knitted, it's kind of like just knitted top. It's not a bra. It's a top, so you can wear this top with jackets, blazers, shirts, or you can wear it just alone. But I'm wearing it now because I don't really feel comfortable walking outside in Lithuania with this dress without bra, because in Lithuania people are still staring at you if you are not wearing a bra, and they're like, oh my god, what is she actually doing? How can she not wear a bra? So for me it's really weird. But yeah, honestly I never really understood how you can judge a woman who decides her own life. How can you judge her when she's not wearing a bra? I just really don't understand how different are our nipples from men's nipples. I just really don't get it, because these are the same boobs, just men have less of a boob but the same nipple kind of, and women have more of a curve and a nipple. I have no clue. Today we're actually going camping in the evening after work. We're going to a really nice area near the lakes in the forest. The area is called Ignalina, but you will see everything yourself. I still need to pack. I still need to pack our food, plates, and so on and so forth. But I'm really excited because one of our checklist goals was to actually go camping this summer with a tent. And we're going to do that this weekend. I'm gonna bring you with me, and now it's time to have a walk because I really need to freshen my brain. Before I go for my walk, I just really want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. I appreciate every single engagement you give to me, so yeah, do not forget to subscribe if you like my videos. I really do appreciate that. And also follow me on Instagram. We can chat there. I share more of my daily life there, my work life, my food life, and so on. So let's catch up on Instagram, and please subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. Cannot forget to mention, but look at my beautiful necklace and my pearl earrings. This is so beautiful. This is natural clean water pearl, and this is gold plated silver, and these are also the same. It's really beautiful. Cannot wait for my trip to Italy. I'm gonna wear these, I think, every single day. I cannot wait to go to Italy. enough talking. So this is the dress I was talking about. It has 2 slits on the sides and it's really lightweight. As you can see, it's really flowy. I really like the material. It's kind of organic, I would say. It looks really organic and perfect for, I would say, France, Italy, Greece. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna wear my Birkenstocks, my favorite ever sandals. They are super comfortable. Taking this ginger shot with me just to sip while I walk. It's really cold and refreshing. Back home, it's absolutely empty because no one wants to walk or do anything in this heat. So hot. Just came back. I also spoke with my mom while I was walking because when I'm taking the walks I usually like to speak with my parents because it takes longer, or listen to some kind of podcast. Today I chose to speak with my mom, just update each other a little, and now I'm really hungry. I only had smoothie for breakfast, which turned out really not good because I guess I didn't have any ripe banana, and I also do smoothies with kefir, so something was wrong. Maybe berries were too sour, but it wasn't really good, so I had to unfortunately throw half of the smoothie that I made out. Now I'm gonna make avocado with prawns because that's all we have for now to eat in the fridge. We have many other things to eat, but these are for our camping dinners, breakfasts and lunches. Also there are a lot of things and mess everywhere because yeah, we're just getting ready to back. Anyway, need my food now. Right, so this is my lunch. Prawns with smoked paprika, honey, chili flakes, this cucumber and avocado, which was not really ripe. Finally in the car. This guy was running home.
With a bike, running with a bike.
Running with a bike. So yeah, finally in the car, and we are going to our hopefully dream place, right?
Mm-hmm.
Going back home because we forgot to take the grill.
Oopsie daisy.
Thankfully Shara set an alarm to remind him to take the grill. Having non-alcoholic beer and gonna try these new chips, mango salsa, made by Latvian brand Jersikas chips. Mango salsa should be a little spicy. We will see. Live taste test. The shape is a little weird. How do you like it?
Tasteless.
It's okay. Reminds me a little bit of corn chips. Lacks a bit of a flavor and actually not spicy at all. I have no clue why there is a flame on the packaging, so spicy food lovers do not get it for the spiciness. Mosquitoes are everywhere. There, oh my god, too many mosquitoes. We are done with the tent. Now we need to blow the mattress because we bought big mattress. We will be almost done. We are really hungry. We just want to chill because we are so sweaty, and putting up the tent is really like a workout. I already had 2 workouts today in the morning and this one in the evening. It's a lot. This guy is eating mosquitoes, helping us to cope with them. Yes, fun. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are going for a morning walk, morning forest walk. I managed to wash myself with wet wipes. I did my skincare, but I washed my face properly. I applied some serum. We are just going for a nice, refreshing morning walk in the forest because the weather is really beautiful. Everything smells really fresh. I slept really well, but we went to bed a bit late, but still, I slept really well. And yeah, our day, full day in the forest starts now. From 1 to 10, how much do you think our dog looks like a wolf? 10 or 1? I give 8. Shout us how many?
9.9.
9.9. So comment down below in the comments if you think that our dog looks like a wolf.
Cross the railroad, somewhere in time. Clear as one.
We are listening to the concert. Sharas gave me a little gift. This is in Lithuanian it's called žemuogė, but in English it's still called strawberry, even though it's not strawberry in Lithuania. So I will call this little wild strawberry, and I wish you could smell this. It smells so amazing. In Lithuanian forests you can find at the moment so many blueberries, raspberries, little strawberries, butterflies. I don't know, maybe it's their breeding time right now, I'm not sure, but so many beautiful things you can find in the forest, and everything smells so beautiful.
Tai su tuo. Ir dar vieną tu matau, žinau. Toniukai, net ten.
Atrodo, kad kažkas vaikšto ant nugaros. More flowers like this, I like it. But the smell, it really smells like strawberry coated in sugar, no? Also, we found some chanterelles. Here's a little family of them. Here's another one. And some more chanterelles. For me and Šarūnas personally, chanterelles are our favorite mushrooms. And in Lithuania it's quite popular to eat fried with some boiled potatoes, maybe some cream also. We are almost at our area. We had 6 kilometers long walk and we are extremely hungry because you know when you are in the nature you feel always more hungry than you feel at your actual home. So I'm gonna grab something from the car and gonna eat because we're hungry. Snacking on some trail mix because we're super hungry. Sharas tried this nut for the first time. How do you like it?
I was wishful not to be allergic for it.
Breakfast in the nature. Rye bread, cream cheese, salmon, radish, cucumber and lettuce. Yum! It's matcha time because we had really good and delicious breakfast, and no coffee, no problem, because I can drink coffee and I can also drink matcha, but when you are in the nature it's easier for you to make matcha. So I have this one from Kiana. It's really easy to carry with you. It's not only matcha, it's also apple, maca powder, ginger and cinnamon, and it's organic. And it has actually really nice flavor even without the milk, which is good. I have this amazing zit on my forehead, but it's already almost gone. Sharas is having some sunshine, which is not here. It's a bit cloudy today, but it's fine. At least it's not raining and it's quite warm, which is also good. And today on the agenda I want to read book. We will go to the shop later because we need to buy some things for dinner. Then we are just going to chill, enjoy this clear weather. Looking like a real village girl, but we had a nice swim, naked tanning session. Yeah, because we're totally alone here. Here is no one except us, so of course we just are naked sometimes when we want to get tan, because I don't really like the tanning lines. But now I have some bikini on, wearing it in the wrong way because I tried to put the hammock, but I can't because the tree is too big. This is the tree, this is the other tree that is not that big, and here's the hammock, but I can't put it. Anyway, it's a really nice area. Here, everything here and there is ours. No one can come, which is really nice. Sharas went to the shop to get something for dinner because we have some camembert cheese. He wants some wings. We have sweet potatoes. We also have some chanterelles from the forest because Sharas picked them up to have for dinner. We have some snacks. We have something. We won't die from the hunger for sure. So let's see what we manage to do when he comes back, but it's really just relaxing here. It's really beautiful, really warm. The weather is beautiful. I mean,
Tell me, creature in the night, is the child made of clay?
peaches for a snack. It should be really good. You can actually eat this with variety of cheeses or anything, but you can easily take this to your camping trip and grill some peaches. Looks amazing and smells amazing.
Amazing.
It's really good. What do you think?
Feel some smoke in the very beginning or something? I don't know.
Yeah, because it's kind of smoked.
But later on, the sweetness and the bitterness.
But it's good. I think it would go really well with goat's cheese and honey. Roasted peaches, goat's cheese and honey. I think it's Shara's grilling some wings. So one part of the wings are blueberry flavored and the other one is cranberry flavored, right? And there's camembert cheese. Sadly, camembert expires today and I noticed some like orange type of mold on it. So I'm not gonna eat it. We're gonna grill it for the dog. He's going to enjoy that for sure. I look really, really natural, as I should look in the nature, right?
Spark is beyond your final thought. Silent whispers in your heart. Well, alright. You've noticed by now. You've noticed what you're scrolling around. You've noticed what you're scrolling around. You've noticed.
本当よ。
Brought to America. Tell me, is this what you say? That the earth has shut its lungs?
The next day and the last day in the nature. We are currently unpacking and putting up the tent. Not putting up, putting down the tent. Doing everything that we need to do before we leave. We slept so well because it started raining around maybe 5 a.m. and we went to sleep before 12. So we slept extremely well with the rain. It was so cozy. Thankfully we have leak-proof tent, so we stayed dry in the rain, but it was really, really cozy to listen to the raindrops. And the weather today is not that good. It's a bit cloudy. We are going, after we do all that we need to do, we are going to pick some wild blueberries because we want to eat them with varškėčiai. And we will go, I think, to some of the restaurants near here to have a coffee, maybe lunch, maybe something. We will see. But the main goal today is to do everything we have to do now and put things in a car and then go to pick wild blueberries. Also, can you see how mosquitoes love me? Here, here, here. Here, here. Look. Oh, my legs are bitten and itchy. Everything is empty almost, except these two guys. We are leaving our weekend chill zone in this beautiful lake. Not really beautiful, but cute. Let's go to pick some blueberries. Shadow! Tuomajok!
Celebrate on your own alone. 'Cause your thoughts are the only thing you own. I missed the number 45. Picked up a piece and drove past the street tonight. Hope you all doing alright. Wishing we were loved, I could give a fuck, not fight.
We are now in Palušė. Vos nenukritau. Village near Ignalina, where we stayed in the forest, in the woods. We came to this restaurant. Is it restaurant or cafe? Restaurant. Palušės Kopa. I had really good latte. Sharas had coffee and potato pancakes. Crispy potato pancakes. I didn't find anything for myself to eat, unfortunately, because they have a lot of fish and meat dishes and potato pancakes, but nothing like crepes with curd or varškėčiai or something like that. It's also our first time here in Palušė, and thank you. And me with Sharas would say that it actually looks like a resort. It's quite nice here. I actually really like my outfit today. This is from Sharas closet. These are my shorts and pants. I really don't know how it would be possible to travel with kids if we had them, because we have full car of stuff, just like duvet, food, tent, and dog. How would we fit in kids? Can you tell me?
We'll buy the bigger car soon.
Because this is a big of a car already. It's big. That's why we bought it, because it's big. But it's just impossible. It's already the next day, and this day is Monday. So yesterday, after we came back from our nature trip, we just made some homemade tacos. We enjoyed them a lot with kombucha. Then we watched the last series of The Good Doctor of the season 5, and yeah, just basically chilled the whole evening. I did some face masking and so on and so forth. And today is already Monday. We really enjoyed our trip to the nature. We really enjoyed everything that the nature can give us. I'm such a nature person, and I never underestimate fresh air, forests, woods, lakes, and so on. I couldn't live without being in the nature. I'm truly a nature person, and I always need not only the forest, I need the seaside, I need water, because I'm Pisces, and I really feel that the water, the nature, gives me so much inspiration, and it makes me feel like I can do things, and it gives me some space to think about everything. Whereas here at home in Vilnius, I really feel sometimes really I don't know how to explain the feeling, but I feel really closed. So being in the nature is something that truly inspires me, and my head and my mental health couldn't function properly without being outside. So it's really not enough. Like, the weekend in the nature is not enough. And yeah, today is Monday. I'm not sure why, but Mondays became my really not favorite days. Before it wasn't like that. I didn't have anything against Mondays ages ago, but now I feel like Monday is really weighing me, and this is not the feeling that I like to feel, and I need to find the reasons that cause this and fix it, because I think we shouldn't wait for weekends to live our lives, and I don't think we shouldn't wait for Mondays because we hate them. And now I feel like I'm in this kind of a roller coaster, and I really don't like Mondays, and I wait for the weekend. So it's not the most pleasurable feeling when you are a human being with a lot of wishes to express yourself and be yourself. But now it's lunchtime. I just need to get dressed, and I'm going to grab extremely exciting parcel for my new quickie. I can't wait to see the product, and I also want to jump quickly into the sports shop because I want some white sportswear. So we will see about that. I'll show you everything probably in the next vlog next weekend. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's really simple but somewhat relaxing. I hope you got inspired to be in the nature more, and see you in my next vlog. Bye. Before bye, please do not forget to subscribe to me. It means so much to me. And also like this video and comment down below anything that you think about the nature, and comment if you think that our dog looks like a wolf. Anyway, I'm going. I need to get going because the lunch is now. Bye.
Missed the number 45. Picked up